Need to identify which phone numbers in a large contact list are linked to LinkedIn accounts? LinkedIn Active US India checks phone numbers in real time and identifies valid LinkedIn account matches for numbers from the United States and India. This helps businesses filter contact lists, qualify B2B leads, and prepare cleaner data before outreach. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available account verification products. Click Get Started to create a new account or sign in to the NumberCheck platform. Before starting the checking task, make sure your account has sufficient credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Return to the product list. Under the social category, locate LinkedIn Active, US, India, and click Buy Now. Select either the United States or India based on the phone numbers in your uploaded list. Make sure the selected country matches the number format in your file. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing the phone numbers you want to check. One phone number per line is recommended. Make sure the numbers use the correct country code and a consistent format. Click Start Detection to begin checking the uploaded phone numbers for LinkedIn account matches. After the checking task is completed, open the Results page to review the task status and result summary. Review the valid results and the total number of phone numbers matched to LinkedIn accounts. The exact result details may depend on the available matching data. Click Download to save the complete LinkedIn checking results for further filtering and analysis. The exported file contains the checking results for phone numbers from the United States or India, including valid numbers matched to LinkedIn accounts when available. These results can be used for contact list filtering, B2B lead qualification, customer database cleaning, audience preparation, and outreach planning. A valid match does not guarantee that the account owner will respond or agree to receive marketing communications. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more NumberCheck tutorials and account verification guides. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking LinkedIn account matches today.